Do you want to know how you can sign in to your Wombo Dream account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign in to your Wombo Dream account. Go ahead and open your Dream app which is on your phone. Now click sign up or sign in. If you already have an account, click continue with Google, or if you don't have an account, click sign up. So as you already have an account, all you need to do is click continue with Google. Now select your Gmail account and you can start creating artwork. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can sign into your account. Open Wombo Dream and you can see that you are logged in. Now to log in again, click sign in and click continue with Google. This way you will be signed in to your Wombo Dream account. I hope this video about how you can sign into your Wombo Dream account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.